This is CHM Classroom with Auntie Taiwo. Okay, can you just click on the subscription button? You cannot just be watching our videos and learning. Of course, you need to subscribe. Just click on the subscription button and let's proceed to the classroom. Okay, the last time we already talked about our formula formation using the radicals, both the positive but negative radicals, then combining with some elements that were willing to give out electrons. So today we will be doing a IUPAC naming. Yes. Somebody will ask me, what is IUPAC? IUPAC, okay, IUPAC means what? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So, and IUPAC nomenclature. Nomenclature means naming. Yes, we have some of these compounds that actually have some old names, but through the influence of IUPAC, we are able to use the oxidation number to actually calculate some things, and it will guide us in naming of our compounds. So, using the IUPAC nomenclature this morning, I'm going to underline the middle elements. So if you want to calculate oxidation, you do it this way. I'm calculating the middle element to get, so that it will guide me in the naming of the compound. Okay, so the oxidation number of sodium is what? Is 1 from my 2, 8, what? 1. So my sodium is what? Plus 1. So 1 times 2 will give me what? 2. Plus carbon is what I'm looking for, so I will do X. Then plus the oxidation number of what? Of oxygen is what? Minus 2. The oxidation number of sodium is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 times 3 will give me, minus 2 times 3 will give me minus 6. So since I'm not doing for a radical, I'm just doing for a compound and there is no charge, I'm equating it to what? 0. So I'm going to have 2 minus 6 plus x equals to 0. So I'm going to have minus 4 plus x equals to 0. So my x equals to 4. So if I want to name this now, I will say sodium triazo, because my oxygen here is 3. Sodium triazo carbonate, carbonate 4. Sodium triazo carbonate 4 is the name for this compound, because my carbon is having oxidation number of 4 here, so that's why I have carbonate 4. So the next one, I have potassium, I have chromium, I have oxygen. So this is for number 1. Okay, so number 2, now let me see how I can separate it so that it doesn't mix up. Okay, so potassium is what? On the periodic table, my potassium is 19, so I have 2, 8, 8, 1. So automatically the oxidation number is what? Plus 1. It's also having the same valency with sodium. So I will have 1 times 2, 2 plus what? X. But here I have 2 atoms of the chromium. So I will have 2x plus what? Now, my oxygen is what? 7. Minus 2 times 7 will give me what? Minus 14 equals to what? 0. So I'm going to have 2x minus 12 equals to 0. Then x will be what? 12 divided by 2 to give me 6. So now let me go to my naming. So I'll have what? Potassium heptaozo. Hepta is 7. Heptaozo dichromate, because I have 2 atoms of chromium. Dichromate. What is this? 6. Okay, so I've been able to name my two compounds. The first one is sodium triisocarbonate 4. Then the second one is what? Potassium heptaoxo dichromate 6. So when next we move